The world before Adam is a subject of debate among different belief systems, scientific communities, and scholars. From a scientific standpoint, the Earth has been estimated to be around 4.5 billion years old. This means that the planet existed for billions of years before the evolution of humans. The world during this time was vastly different from what we see today. The climate was drastically different, with periods of extreme heat and cold, and the continents were in different positions due to continental drift. There were no human beings or any other advanced life forms during this time. Instead, the world was populated by various single-cell organisms, simple animals, and bacteria. These life forms evolved over time through natural selection and genetic mutations, adapting to the changing environment and competing with one another for survival. As the planet developed, natural processes such as wind erosion, volcanic activity, and plate tectonics shaped the land and created distinctive geological features such as mountains, canyons, and river systems. The atmosphere was also evolving, with the emergence of oxygen-producing organisms leading to an increase in atmospheric oxygen levels. Though the world before Adam is shrouded in mystery, we can still study its history through geological and other scientific methods. By analyzing fossils, rock formations, and other evidence, scientists can piece together a picture of Earth's past, illuminating the wonders and diversities of the world before the emergence of humans. The earliest life on Earth was unicellular organisms. These organisms were microscopic and had simple structures. They are believed to have originated in the oceans and thrived in the warm and nutrient-rich waters. Over time, these organisms evolved into more complex beings and eventually diversified into different forms of life, including plants, animals, and humans. One of the most notable periods in the history of the world before Adam is the Age of Dinosaurs, which marks a significant milestone in the evolution of life on Earth. The Age of Dinosaurs lasted for over 180 million years and is considered to be one of the most diverse periods in the history of the Earth. During this period, dinosaurs roamed freely on the land and oceans and dominated the ecosystem. Some of the most iconic dinosaurs of this period include the Tyrannosaurus rex, Triceratops, and Stegosaurus. The climate of the world before Adam was also vastly different. The Earth underwent different climatic changes that significantly affected the organisms that inhabited it. For instance, during the Age of Dinosaurs, the Earth was warmer, and the sea levels were higher than they are today. This meant that different types of organisms thrived in different regions. There were lush forests and swamps, and the sea was dotted with coral reefs and giant marine reptiles. The world before Adam was not without natural disasters. The Earth underwent significant geological events that changed the face of the planet. Volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, and natural floods shaped the Earth's geography and affected the organisms that lived in it. For instance, the extinction of the dinosaurs is believed to be caused by a massive asteroid impact that caused a sudden decline in Earth's temperature and triggered a massive chain of events that eventually led to their extinction. Even before the Age of Dinosaurs, the Earth underwent significant mass extinction events that led to the disappearance of over 75% of the organisms that existed at the time. Despite the challenges and natural disasters that affected the world before Adam, life on Earth continued to thrive, diversify, and evolve. Some of the organisms that thrived during this period existed for millions of years before their extinction. There were also organisms that evolved unique adaptations to survive in different regions of the planet. For instance, some animals evolved a thick coat of fur to keep them warm in the cold, while others developed specialized diets to survive in different ecosystems. So, dear friends, the world before Adam AS was vastly different from what we see today. It was a world dominated by unicellular organisms, dinosaurs, and other forms of life that have long gone extinct. The environment was different, with warmer temperatures and different geographical features than what we see today. Despite the challenges and natural disasters, life on Earth continued to thrive and evolve, leading to the diversification of different forms of life. Understanding the world before Adam helps us appreciate the diversity of life on Earth and reminds us how much the Earth has undergone significant changes over the millennia.